Not everyone has a gas-powered earth auger laying around, but if you do, use that critter to plant trees with. Get that top layer of weeds out of the way. Second thing we're gonna do is just aerate. Punch holes, punch holes. The third thing we're gonna do is integrate some soil amendment, and we're gonna use this critter as a blender. Holes are gonna be beneficial because that's how we're gonna get our soil amendment down deeper. Love my trees up on a mound. We're gonna position the tree next. So this blend is going to integrate organic material. I hope this introduced an idea that maybe you can incorporate in planting some trees around your home.